In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find settings in Claude AI. Start by signing into Claude in your web browser. Once you're on the main screen, shift your attention to the left side of the page. At the very bottom of the sidebar, you'll see your profile area. It usually shows your full name if space allows, or a small circle with your initials if it's a tighter layout. That spot in the bottom left corner is the key to reaching your settings. If the sidebar looks condensed or you don't immediately see the bottom section, try scrolling the sidebar itself, widening your browser window, or zooming out slightly. On smaller screens, the interface can tuck items closer together, but your name or initials will still be anchored to that bottom left corner of the sidebar. Click your name or initials to open a small drop-down menu. This menu is where account-related options live. From here, choose Settings. The settings view will slide open, usually as a panel or page, giving you a clear list of categories you can adjust without leaving your current workspace. Inside settings, you'll find Appearance, where you can switch between light and dark themes and adjust font options to make the interface easier on your eyes. These changes typically apply instantly, so you can see what works best before moving on. There's also a section for privacy options. This is where you can review how your data is handled and fine-tune what's stored or shared to match your comfort level. Taking a minute here helps you understand exactly how your information is managed. You'll also see language controls, so you can set the interface to the language you prefer. This is especially helpful if you collaborate across regions or just want the UI to match your daily workflow. Beyond that, you may notice other account preferences, such as general app behavior and accessibility tweaks. These let you tailor Claude to your working style, whether that means clearer text, reduced motion, or other small adjustments that add up to a smoother experience. If you're using a work or school account, some options might be managed by your organization. Grayed out items usually indicate that these settings are locked by an admin. Otherwise, most changes save automatically, and you can revisit them anytime. Whenever you need to come back, just click your name or initials in the bottom left corner again, open the drop-down, and select Settings. That's all there is to it: quick, consistent, and always in the same place.